Good evening and welcome to the Oliveboard platform. My name is Marut Sharma, your logical reasoning expert, and we are here today to discuss the RRB NTPC live mock which you have recently given over the weekend, and we'll be discussing the logical reasoning questions from the complete mock, right? So we'll start the session in no time, but before that, quickly join in live and share this session across platforms with all your fellow aspirants, those who you know, and on groups, Telegram groups, WhatsApp channels, wherever you're a part of, where you can find these aspirants so that more and more people can benefit from this, right? So let's start this as a movement. And apart from that, do hit the like button. If you're a regular aspirant, you are coming here for this wonderful content which you're churning out daily for you. Hit the like button and comment. You can definitely comment your feedbacks, whatever you're liking, whatever you're not liking, whatever you would like to improve about these videos, you can let us know, right? And hopefully we are looking forward to solving these questions and acing the preparation for our RRB NTPC examination. Quickly join in live and let's start in no time, guys. Okay, so the first question in the reasoning section was question number 13. So we start with question number 13. Okay, out here in this series, how many symbols are immediately to the left of an alphabet? So firstly, we are looking for symbols. Okay, they should be left of an alphabet and immediately to the right of a number. So the order should be number, symbol, alphabet. This is the order you are looking for. Left of an alphabet, right of a series. So immediately stop wherever there is a number followed by a symbol and an alphabet. Okay, number, symbol, alphabet. So number, symbol, alphabet, we got 1. Next, number, no. Number, no. Number, symbol, alphabet, we got 2. Next, number, symbol, alphabet, we got 3. There are only 3 here, so option D is the right answer. You need to check for the right combination. A lot of students, sit and waste time. They look for each symbol, then they see number. No, don't do that. Check for the right combination, straight away hunt for that combination. Okay. Let's look at the next reasoning question. Question number 14, is it? No, 15, 16, 17. Water image of the problem figure. We are looking at the water image, not the okay, anyways. Water image of the question figure. So as soon as you observe, this is going to flip down here. So this is eliminated totally. Figure number 2 is not possible. Okay. What else? In the remaining 3 slots, check for the differences. Now this is going to come on the top. This cannot go on the bottom. So this is also incorrect. So we have to choose between 1 and 3 now. Look for the different element in 1 and 3. If you look for the different element in 1 and 3, you will see this. See, when we are finding the water image of this particular image, rest everything is almost similar. This is going to flip downwards, right? So the white portion on the top is going to come here and the white and black portion on the bottom is going to come on the top, which is happening in figure 1 but not happening in figure 3. So this is also incorrect. Figure 1 becomes my correct answer, which is option A. Cool. Next. Ishwarya Lakshmi, it was option 1 beta, not option 3. Option A is correct. Option 3, you were pretty close, but if you see, they did not flip this figure. They did not flip. This figure is as it is coming here. Whereas if it was a water image, this figure would have flipped downwards, which is happening in figure 1. Okay. Next. Interchange the numbers so that the equation is correct. Okay, firstly check what is going wrong. Okay, so 9 divided by 3 is 3 and this is 16. 16 minus 3 plus 1, this can never be 5. Okay, this can never be 5. Now, for it to become 5, this is where I think we should change. If we change 2 and 1, so this will straight away from 16 will become 8. Okay, and I think that might make some sense. But let's try that. So this is 8 minus 3 plus 2. That is minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. So this is not working out for us. 3 and 9 changing it will not make any sense, because see, 3 divided by 9, 1 by 3, no multiplication here, this is useless. 5 and 8, so 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, and this becomes 8. So 10 minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 is 8. Yes, so this is the correct answer. So we have 2 into 5 minus 9 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 8 now. So this is 10 minus 3 plus 1. This is 10 minus 2, which is equal to 8. So option C becomes my correct answer. Cool. Next. C6 H12O6. Which figure can replace the question mark? Observe. Figure series based question. Now see, if you see clearly, this is the figure. Now this is just being replicated here, this part here. Okay, and then this, there will be one on the top or bottom, so the other one will be replicated there. What do you think will be the figure? One on the top or bottom. There is nothing in the bottom here. Okay, so I think option B, figure 2 is the complete figure which will be accurate and appropriate here. So which makes figure 2 means option B is the right answer. Cool. Next, question 23. 24. Letter series. RRB questions are very simple this mock, I believe. So 5, 20, 7, 18. Okay, I think we should go alternative. 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 2, 9. But we don't need this. 20 minus 2, 18 minus 2, 16. So P, option C will be the right answer. Next. Repeat. AK-C. AK-C. Can we say AK-C? And BAK. So we can say BAK-C. BAK-C dash BAK-C dash. Okay, so the second position has to be A and the second last has to be B. So it is observant only in option D. So try it, just fill it with that. K A B K B B. Now see, K B A K B C K B A K B C. Makes sense. Option D is the right answer. Cool. 26. 27. Dictionary sequence. Dissipate, dissuade, disseminate, distract, dissociated, dissect. This is an SSC previous year question. Try this. So look at the options straight away. The first is 6 and the second is 3. Delete 6 and 3 directly. Don't check it. First is 6, second is 3. Third position is 1, 5 and 2. Check. Dissipate, dissuade, dissociated. So dissi, this is 9, dissu, this is 21, disso, this is 15. So obviously 9 will come first, 1 will come first. These both are gone. After 1, now we'll check for 5 and 2. Between 5 and 2, we already know 5 is going to come first. So option A is the correct answer. Next. 28. 29. 30. This is data. Yeah, data interpretation. 31, 32. Okay, directions. So Arjun walked 25 meters to southeast direction. Okay, southeast means 25 meters. So Arjun started walking here, 25 meters. The southeast direction, and then walk 7 meters to the west direction. So we walk 7 meters to the west direction. This is a Pythagoras theorem question. I am very sure. What is the shortest distance he needs to travel to go back to his starting point? This is the shortest distance, which is 24. 7, 24, 25. Option C is the right answer. Pythagorean triplet. It's a very simple question. See, if you are aware about everything, this mock was not difficult at all. As far, I would not call it at par the NTPC level, because yeah, but it keeps changing. So, okay. So PMN. This is 16, 13 and plus 1. 21, 18, 18, 16. 8, 5, 5, 6. I think option B is the right answer. 25, 22, 22, 23. Option B is the correct answer. Number of triangles. I can see 10 here. Should we give it a shot? Yes. See, this case 3 triangles. Now this figure here 3 triangles. This figure here 3 triangles. Okay, these are 9. Now this one whole triangle, this one is not counted, this one, and that's it. This one has already been counted, so this one extra. 10 triangles are there in the figure. Okay, good question, easy question, but today's mock was more easy than moderate. 40. Okay, blood relations. Keep participating. Don't lose the zeal. Q is the mother of R. Q is the mother of R. P is the husband of Q. P is the husband of Q. S is the mother of Q. S is the mother of Q. T is the brother of R. T is the brother of R. Then how is P related to T? P is the father of T. Next, 42. Data interpretation. Minus 3, 12 plus 5. Okay. I think we have found it. So divide this into two parts and exchange it. Okay. So PQ and LM. So plus 1. AB and TU plus 1 again. FG and OP plus 1 again. And RS and MN plus 1 again. So divide, cross and plus 1. So check the code for tracking. 2, 2, 2. Cross plus 1. So we'll start with R. So 18, 1, 19 we'll have S and T is U. We start with SU. Okay, wow, everything is SU. Next, C plus 1 is D, A plus 1 is B. SUDB. SUBD is gone. SUDJ is gone. SUDB, the next two will give us our answers. So I will have J and K will have L. So SUDB JL, which is option D, is the correct answer. 47, 48, partnership 49, IFSC. Okay. Pattern completion. Again, a very easy question. Which will complete the pattern? Oh my god. This is figure 1. Clear cut figure 1. Okay. 50, 51, 52. Embedded figures. Today's mock is pretty easy. Correct. Good, Ishwara Lakshmi. Try this one now. Okay. So this is what we are looking for. It's here and it's here. I think this is where it is. Nowhere else. Figure 2. Next. Grouping. This is a very common question in NTPC. So check for the group. See, double figure, double figure, double figure. So 259 will be in the same group. And 259 you can see in these two options. Okay. Now check for the next one. 148. Will they be in the same group? 148. No. 7, 8 and 6 will be in the same group. 7, 8 and 6. No, they are not together. 7, 8 and 6. Okay, black shade is on the right side. Black shade is on the top here. Left and bottom. What's the point? So 8 and 6 are together for sure. 8 and 6 are also not together. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. Okay, internal figures are highlighted. And 4, 7, 8. Or 1, 4, 8. No, this is a very dicey question, I believe. Pentagon, pentagon inside, highlighted on one side. This is a trapezium, trapezium inside, highlighted on one side. Triangle, triangle inside, highlighted on one side. Triangle, triangle. Option C is the right answer, but I can't see a logic here. 1, 3 and 6. Why will 1, 3, 6 be in the same league, and why 7, 8 and 4 will be in the same league? I'm not sure. We'll have to check this, okay? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Milky Way, Moon, Earth. Four options: Milky Way, Moon, Earth. No, B was not the right answer. C was the right answer. So Moon and Earth are different. They are both a part of the Milky Way. Option 4 is the right answer. I thought this is a GS question. GK. 21st October 2015 was a Monday. Then what day was 23rd January 2018? So this becomes easy. 2018 and 2015. What is the difference? The difference is 3 years. So we have 3 odd days plus what are the leap years between them? So divide by 4, divide by 4. This is 4, 6, 4 and 4, 3. So 1 leap year, and we can also cross verify that is 2016. It's only 1 leap year, so 1 leap day added. So 4 odd days are there between these 2 years, and we have come on 21st October now. Now for October, how many days are left? So we have 31 days in October, out of which 21 are gone, so we are left with 10. Take remainder with 7, you will be left with 3 odd days. November will have 30 days, so 2 odd days. December, oh wait, we went to October 2018, my bad, totally my bad, I am so sorry. We had to go to October 2017. Okay, so 17 minus 15 will give us 2 plus 1 here. Okay, again, yeah, there will be a leap here, so this will be 3. Now October we'll have 3 odd days, November will have 2, December will have 3 odd days, and January 2018 we need only till 23. So 23 remainder with 7 is 2. Now add all of them: 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 11, 13. So 13 remainder with 7 is 6, and 6 added to Monday will give you Sunday. 1 plus 6 is 7. Sunday should be our answer. Question number 71. 72. Syllogism. Okay. All strings are ropes. All chains are strings. Some ropes are chains. Yeah, absolutely right. All strings are chains. No. Only conclusion 1 follows. Next. Quickly plot the tree. So E plus K means E is the husband of K. K dollar A, K dollar A, K is the mother of A. A% Z, A is the father of Z. Z plus B, Z is the husband of B. Now, which of the following is correct? K is the grandmother of B. B, K, no, not correct. B is daughter-in-law of A. Yes, B is the daughter-in-law of A. Option B is the right answer. Oops, what went wrong? Did we draw something wrong? Wait. I think in haste. E plus K means E is the husband of K. K dollar A means K is the mother of A. A% Z means A is the father of Z. And Z plus B means Z is the husband of B. So B is the daughter-in-law of A is absolutely right. What's wrong here? Oh, this is something incorrect. E is grandmother of Z. E is grandmother of Z. No. All of them are true. What? No, this is correct. Option B is right. I started doubting my credibility. Oh, no. Gray is not the grandmother. E plus K. E is the grandmother-in-law of B, not grandmother. This is not right. This question needs to be reported. Report. Can I type? See, be very respectful when you are reporting, errors, because it is very common. It can happen with anybody. It's very common. It's very human to make errors. So just put in what the data is, what the error is, and let them figure it out. They'll correct it at the back end. Okay. Next question number 75. Oh, sorry. Quant. 77. Okay. Yeah. Let's come back here. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we start with T. Oh my God. What happened to them today? Option A is the right question. Next, 78. If you think I'm going too fast, just stop me, okay? 169 plus 13. Yes, this is a square plus, n square plus n. So 420 should be the answer. 13 square plus 13. So 20 square plus 20 will be 420. This is a very special number. Very means this is a special number. Because I have made that list. I always communicate this to my students. Make a list of special numbers. N square plus n is a very common logic. So the moment you see 182, it should click. That is 13 square plus 13. So you will get your answers instantly. Next, question number 80. Oh, statement course of action. Let's go through this. In spite of teachers' repeated warnings, a child was caught cheating in the exam. Okay. The course of action, the child should not be allowed to give the exam. The child should be warned not to do it again. What do you think which follows? Repeated warnings of the teacher. Then the child should not be allowed to give the exam. I think only one follow should be the right answer. Right? See, if it was that a child was caught cheating in the exam, if that was the case, we could have gone with either of them. But in spite of teachers' repeated warnings, so the child cannot be warned again. Next, question number 80. Power is related to authority in the same way purpose is related to. See, power and authority can be sort of synonyms. Okay. Power and authority can be sort of synonyms, or power leads to authority or authority leads to power. So purpose is determination, because forgive, hesitate, normalization does not make sense here. Right? 82. Oh, now back to back they'll have reasoning questions because they had a lot of gaps today. So umpire decision. Select the option that shows the word pair related to the same way. Okay. Umpire takes the decision. So painter awareness, judge judgment, businessman arbitration, or singer experiment. Like umpire takes a decision, judge makes a judgment. So option B is the right answer. 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Okay. Venn diagram. Circle represents the people who like pizza. Rectangle represents the people who like burgers, and triangle represents the person who likes pasta. How many persons like both pizza and pasta but not burger? So pizza and pasta but not burger. So what is burger? Burger was rectangle. So it should not be a part of the rectangle but triangle and circle. I think 7 is the part. That's it. Any other part? No. So option B is the right answer. 90. 3 are alike, 1 is different. Curd, milk, water, food, house, brick, paper, wood. House is made up of brick. I'm sorry. I mean, this is what I'm trying to say. A house is made up of brick, paper is made up of wood, and curd is made from milk. Water is not made from food. So option B is the right answer. 91. Hareli. Sugars. Starch into sugars. Okay, two statements. I have to decide the data sufficiency. How is nature written in the code language? How is nature written in the code language? That is the question given to you. You want time to solve it? You can take some time and solve it. How is nature written in the code language? Nature is beautiful is written as foo data. Everything is beautiful is written as, yeah. So we can see from one you cannot analyze. So one alone is not sufficient. Two alone is also not sufficient. But 1 and 2 together, everything is beautiful. So you can figure out the code for is beautiful. It is de foo. So you know that ta is the code for nature. So 1 and 2 together are necessary to answer the above questions. So option B is the correct answer. 94. If rings is coded as 07384, what is the code for sink? RINGS. Okay, I think this is a simple substitution question because all the letters of this are present here. So SING, so 4738. 4738, option D is the right answer. 95, 96, number series. So we are increasing by 11 here, increasing by 15 here, increasing by 11 again, increasing by 15 again. Okay, so this will be 15, this will be 11. So this is 54. Option A is the right answer. 97, 98, 99, 100. Missing numbers. Eleven and 4. So we can say 6 and 12. 18. No, that's not there. 3 and 12. So 5 and 1. 6. Yes, I think this is the logic. So subtract this here, you get 12. Subtract this here, you get 3. Add both of them, you get 15. Subtract this here, you get 5. Subtract this here, you get 1. Add both of them, you get 6. I think that is the correct logic. If you're getting an answer in the options, it's a credible logic. Okay, your logic should be credible, it should make sense, and you should get an answer in the options. That is what makes sense. Okay, which question was that? Do you guys remember? Question 61. I had told you we'll look at it again. No, let's, because we have time, let's just give it a shot. Okay, we had known one thing for sure, that 259 was a correct pair we had made, and that is almost instantly visible. Okay, so 2, 5 and 9 is gone. Now out of the remaining ones, if I see, less than half, more than half, more than half is white. White is bigger than black, Black is bigger than white. Can that be a case? Can that be a case? Black is bigger than white? Black is bigger than white? Black is bigger than white. Four, 7, 8. I still feel they should have been together, but I don't know. They are not accepting that. 1, 3, 6. And 4, 7, 8. 1, 3, 6, 4, 7, 8. So I think in 4, 7, 8, they are giving us half of the figures to be white. And in the other ones, see, black is equal to white and white is more than black. Yeah, I think this is the logic. See, in 1, 3, 6, black is less than white. Don't count the external black, okay? Only count the internal black. This black and this white. So black is less than white. Black is less than white. White is a square. The black is a triangle, and black is less than white surely. Okay. And in the other cases, we are left with 4, 7, and 8. I think black is equal to white. It's exactly in the half. See, this is the black. This is the white we are talking about. This is the black. This is the white we are talking about. This is the white. This is the black we are talking about. I think that is the only logic which makes sense. So this is it. That is why option C is the right answer. That makes credible sense, I believe. Okay. So with that, we are done with the RRB NTPC discussion. Hopefully all the questions were clear to you and you guys could understand what I had to explain today. If you have any doubts, any queries, you can let me know. And if not, then you have to stay tuned for a session which I am conducting on, today I'll be coming live in the evening around 7 p.m. and I will be discussing a very important aspect with all of you. Okay. So even if you're an RRB aspirant, even if you're an SSC aspirant, or you are giving any other competitive examination where logical reasoning is a part, you have to attend that session. So make sure you attend that today. Okay, I'll show that to you once. Oh, this is going on already. SSC English medium. Hit the subscribe button, okay? Live. Can't seem to find it here. Okay, yeah, it's on the Hindi channel. So you can go ahead. If you are comfortable in Hindi, I will also partially be speaking in English there. So you can come and join this session live. Okay, do hit the like button right away. You can click on the notify me icon so that you get an exact notification on time, because this myth needs to be busted. I know this is not the right time because today's mock was pretty easy and you guys must have felt that, okay, what is the logic of studying reasoning in the first place? But actually there is a big scientific reason why you need to understand this and why you need to better get a hold of this, right? So do attend this session today and let's get a better understanding of why logical reasoning can be important. So that was it for today, guys. If you have anything, you can put it in the chat box for me. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next session. Sure, Daniel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, guys. Namaskar. Jai Hind. I'll take your leave now.